What if I told you that all that cooking you've been doing could actually earn you some really good money? I mean 10 million naira type of money. Scanfrost is about to change the game with the ultimate cookout challenge. With this challenge, whether you are a chef, you're a food enthusiast, or you're just experimenting in the kitchen, girl, boy, it is your time to shine. You just need your signature recipe, some passion, and of course your phone camera. And with these things, you stand a chance to win your own share of 10 million naira amazing Scanfrost products in the ultimate Scanfrost Cookout challenge. How can you participate, you might ask? It's easy. All you need to do is follow my Scanfrost. Then you are going to make that signature recipe and you're going to film the process from prep to plate. You would post this on your social media, tag my Scanfrost, and don't forget to use the hashtag Scanfrost Cookout and Cook with Scanfrost. Shortlisted candidates would now compete live at the Ultimate Cookout finale, where you stand a chance to win your own share of 10 million naira amazing Scanfrost product. I wish I could be participating in all these things because 10 million. I don't know what you're waiting for, but you better start recording because entries are going to be ending on the 13th of August. Get to it.